You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. Also a word from Arabic, also a name with different origins, pronounced generally as Aiwa. How do you say it differently? Do you pronounce it differently yourself? Let us know in the comments if that's the case, or do you pronounce it as well as Aiwa? What is your pronunciation? Any different? How to pronounce Aiwa? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.